Welcome back to TechWindowsFreeway, your go-to destination for all things Windows related. In today's tutorial, we are going to delve into the nifty process of changing your account profile picture in Windows 10. Whether you are looking to personalize your user experience or simply want to freshen up your digital identity, we've got you covered. Stick around as we guide you through the simple steps to give your Windows 10 account a touch of your own style. Let's dive in. Click on the Start button from the Windows 11 taskbar. Then click Settings gear icon. In the Settings window left side, click on the Accounts category. On the right side of it, click on the Your Info tab. In the Adjust Your Photo section, you will see two options to set your profile picture. Take a photo, click on the Open Camera button and take a photo to save it as a profile picture. Choose a file. This is handy when you don't have an inbuilt camera on your computer or want to upload an image from your PC as a profile picture. If you prefer to upload an image from your PC, click the Browse Files button next to choose a file. Select the photo from your computer. Click on the Choose Picture button to set or change your profile picture. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of another insightful tutorial here on TechWindowsFreeway. We hope this guide has empowered you to effortlessly customize your Windows 10 account profile picture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy customizing and stay tuned for more tech-savvy content.